Hi everyone, this is Ruhi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna review a mascara which is overhyped everywhere, and a lot of international YouTubers like Jeffree Star and Indian YouTubers like Shivangi, Stacy have spoken about this mascara a lot. So I thought of giving it a try. I know I'm too late. This has launched a long back, but as I have started my channel before a few days, so I guess it's fine. So we're gonna review this product, L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara. Let's get started. So it comes in a packaging like this. I have obviously torn a little bit of packaging, and this retails for 7.99 rupees, and this is how the mascara looks. I hope you can see this. It's a beautiful rose gold packaging. I love the packaging again. And let me show you how the wand of this mascara looks like. It's a pretty thick wand with a lot of bristles. I love the wand of this mascara. Now, when we talk about the packaging of this mascara, it reminds me of a mascara by Too Faced. The packaging is almost similar. Let's see what L'Oreal has to say about this mascara. It glides evenly to lengthen lashes. Yeah, I would agree to that because the mascara has got a very silky smooth texture and it glides very evenly without clumping the lashes, and I'll give 1 point to L'Oreal for this. Volumizes lashes. Yes, it is indeed very voluminous. So for one coat and even two coats, एक ही कोट में आपको नज़र आ जाएगा कि कितना ज़्यादा वॉल्यूमिनस आपके लैशेस ऑलरेडी दिख रहे हैं. एंड इफ व्हेन यू आर अप्लाइंग टू कोट्स इट लुक्स लाइक यू हैव अप्लाइड फॉल्सी. सो दैट ब्यूटिफुल दिस मस्कारा वर्क्स. थर्ड पॉइंट, long lasting impact. Yes, it has lasted on me for about 12 hours. I'll be showing you the wet test next. Fourth point, no clumping, flaking or smudging. Yes, it does not clump in two coats. I would say maybe the third coat might add on a little bit of clumping, but that's again, third coat is not necessary because two coats are already a lot, and it makes your lashes look like falsy, so that's beautiful again. Flaking or smudging, yes, it does not flake and it does not smudge. It is waterproof no matter what, and I love this about this mascara. In case a lot of you have not known, this mascara has received Nykaa Femina award. So this mascara is waterproof and you can easily remove it with coconut oil or micellar water. Yes, it comes off easily, but it does not smudge or show colors black all over with water. So it's completely bang on waterproof. I love that about this mascara. I have seen in few places L'Oreal claims that this mascara has a feathery structure. Not that I could see the word, but then this mascara is not feathery at all. It's like normal mascara, the way it should be, like a little crispy lashes. Now I'm gonna show you the application of this mascara. I'll show you one coat initially in both the eyes and then two coats. I'll zoom the camera and I'll show you guys how it works. Now I'm gonna curl my lashes first before applying the mascara. So before applying mascara, we're gonna wipe off the excess product from the mascara and apply. This is a single coat of this mascara. It gets very difficult for me sometimes when I apply mascara on my lower lash line. Now, can you make out the difference, guys? This looks so beautiful. Can I just see this? It's just so gorgeous, and with one single coat, can you see the volume and the length? Let's go ahead and apply mascara on my other lashes. You see this, guys? This is just one coat of this mascara, and I am so much in love with this one. It's super duper amazing. Now let's go ahead and apply another coat of this mascara. You see that? Two coats of this mascara and absolutely no clumping at all. I love how it looks. Do I need falsies even? Hell no, this is just so beautiful. I love the way this mascara works. I would suggest you not to apply more than 2 coats of this mascara because it might make your lashes feel heavy. और जिसको आदत नहीं है मस्कारा की, या फिर जिसको वाटरप्रूफ एंड ऐसे हेवी मस्कारा की आदत नहीं है, तो शायद थोड़ा सा आपको अजीब लग सकता है, बट इतना ही काफ़ी है. आई थिंक 2 coats are more than enough. It makes your lashes look like falsies and I am totally in love with this. I highly recommend this product. बहुत टाइम से, आई गेस it's been 3 years I've been using Maybelline Total Temptation Mascara, Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, एंड मैं काफ़ी लॉयल थी उन ब्रांड्स के साथ. एटलीस्ट द Maybelline mascaras were so good that I could not just think of buying any other mascara, but now I totally love this one. I highly recommend this one. And will I repurchase this? Yes, I will, because ये मुझे बहुत पसंद आया है. And next I'm gonna buy L'Oreal mascaras only, and this one at least, because this is a bomb and I'm totally in love with it. So that was my short review on L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such content. See you soon in my next video. Bye bye.